Hello children, today we will learn to draw an apple. Okay children? Come on, let's draw an apple. We will draw an apple and also sing an alphabet song. So children, sing with me. Come on. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay children, now you know your ABC. Come along and sing with me. Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z, butter on your bread. If you don't like it, go to bed. See children, so beautiful the apple looks. For an apple, I have used red color, green color and black color. Okay children? An apple a day keeps a doctor away. So children, you should eat an apple every day. Okay children, apple is very good for health. So you should always eat an apple. See how beautiful an apple looks. Let's learn the color. Green, red, yellow, white, blue, black. Okay children? Thank you.